Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Danny, and I'm back with another unboxing video and somewhat of a comparison video as well. Right here, I have one of my favorite lightweight travel stands, which is made by Matthews. It is the Murph stand. They also have a reversible stand, which is very similar to the Murph stand. It's just a little bit bigger, and I think the payload capacity is like maybe 1 or 2 pounds more. But this is the B387-489, and I actually have two of these. They're just great stands to keep around. You could just slip them right into your bag. And on this one, I have a ball head attachment and a iPad mount so that I can mount my iPad to show the client when I'm doing a photo shoot or something. But today I am unboxing the Ulanzi AT05, which is a very similar stand, but instead of it having these twist knobs that you have to adjust to be able to open it all up and, you know, extend it out, which I love this stand and I'm not complaining about it, but Ulanzi actually makes one that doesn't have any. And with this stand, you just twist and pull and it extends that way. But yeah, one of the things that I wanted to mention is these stands are very, very similar. I think the Matthews stand is around $94. The Ulanzi one is around $75. So this one is actually cheaper. Now, of course, Matthews is a household name in the lighting industry. And, you know, their products are very reliable. But Ulanzi is kind of a company that has been making all types of equipment, and they seem to be very reliable also. Now, this one does come with a baby pin at the top with a 1/4 thread, so you can mount a light to it. In this case, I actually already own a ball head, and I just have an adapter. So if I want to put my camera up here, this is actually the Ulanzi U100 claw. So I have, you know, these clamps that I put onto different devices, and they just lock right here in place. But yeah, let's see how this looks. Wow, see? And then just lock it in place. Now, as far as this how this opens, there's a push mechanism down here at the bottom, and it just opens up just like that. Let me actually move this out of the way. So just twist and unlock, twist and unlock. Now, if you look here, the footprint diameter of the, oh, see, I think I didn't lock it in place, but yeah, you have to lock it in place. But yeah, the footprint diameter on the Matthews is bigger, and it also has, you know, a different way of how small you want the diameter of it to be. You can make it wider by dropping it low. Of course, this one, there are adjustments down here at the bottom. You have 1 and 2. So if you put it at 1 and set it down, it just locks on 1. You see? Really, it's the same stand in a sense of how much they weigh. I think the Matthews is around 2.5 pounds. The Ulanzi is 2.6 pounds. They both have a minimum. In fact, I'll actually take this ball head off But the payload capacity on the Matthews is 9 pounds. The payload capacity on this is 11 pounds. So this can hold more than this, but they practically weigh the same. So I would give an edge to the Ulanzi for being, you know, a little bit heavier, but being able to hold more weight. So yeah, let's move this down. And as far as the size comparison, the Ulanzi, I don't know if you guys can really see this. Let me hold it this way. But the Ulanzi is actually smaller. Even with this baby pin on top of it, it's still smaller. As far as if I had to pick one to travel with, I'm probably gonna bring the Ulanzi, which is the reason why I bought it in the first place. Of course, this works. I love these stands. I'm not knocking Matthews. They make great equipment. But as far as being compact and versatile, I think the Ulanzi is just more of a convenience for me, especially with this ball head adapter. Now, when I put my camera up here on top of this, I think that depends. If I'm around the house and doing cook videos or something like that, then yeah. But as far as like taking it with me, I probably would put my camera on this if I'm in an area outside where it's no wind at all. But if I do, I'm not going to put it up this high, obviously. You guys can't even see here. But I'm probably going to keep it about, you know, maybe at least to my waist. But, I mean, it definitely feels very durable in terms of the quality and the material that it's made out of. But this is, I mean, these stands are both light. I really can't say much about them. But one other thing I wanted to mention too is I have a softbox made by SMDV, and this is one of my favorite small travel flip softboxes. But the problem is that I'm going to show you here. The problem is this baby pin, when I'm using this softbox on here, it has a twist mechanism, but when you lock it, it still moves. So there's something that's interfering with how this proprietary baby pin by Matthews is designed to where it'll hold this softbox, but I've noticed that even in some windy situations, this thing can kind of get pushed around a little bit. So I think when I'm using this softbox, I'm just going to use it with this one because this thing is not going anywhere. And then, of course, I can, you know, angle it down and But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. And if anybody's in the market as far as looking for a travel stand, I really don't think you can go wrong with either one of these stands. I think they're both really great. They're both built pretty good. For me, I just like the versatility of being able to have both. If I'm in a situation where I have to bring one and I want it to be compact, lightweight, where I could just throw it in a bag, Again, I'm probably gonna bring this, but even if you choose this one, again, you can't go wrong. So let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and, you know, if you have any questions or if you want a little more information with a little more detailed on either one of these, go ahead and just, you know, comment and I'll be happy to get back to you and see you guys in the next one. Oh, also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Peace.